Okay, so we will be starting off with types of businesses, one of the important topics in the AS business. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so types of business: sole trader, business owned and controlled by a single person. Everyone knows this if you have studied it in O levels. Advantage: enjoys all the profits. This is the basic thing. Business formation: simple legal formalities. Very simple legal formalities. This is one more thing that you have to look for because the legal formalities increases with when we move towards other businesses. Okay, then we have owner has flexible working hours. Disadvantages: to sustain all losses. This is one. Owner has unlimited liability. This is a word that you have to look for because in business terminology also matters, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, now in partnership, business owned and controlled by at least two and maximum of 20 people. This is the partnership agreement according to the agreement, right? Agreement of partnership or partnership agreement. Okay, the terms and conditions are decided. Right, some also refer to the Partnership Act. If you want to, you can. Partnership Act, it's I think so 1932. Yes. Okay, more capital to be raised and business can enjoy benefits of multi skills of its members. Work to be done. If any of its member dies, the partnership agreement will dissolve. Unlimited liability. Members might not be trustworthy. This is it. One more thing that you have to add over here. Right, there is one more thing that they call it's active partners, right? Then they are dormant partners, right, who are not taking any part in they have just paid the money and everything, but they are not actively involved in the working of the business. Active partners are those who are actively involved, right? Now talking about private limited company, these firms not listed in the open market. Advantages of the private limited company. Okay, this is if you look at private limited company, more of its details are also mentioned on the Companies Act. They are defined. So do mention these are critical details that if you mention them, you will get higher scoring marks. These firms are not listed in the open market, that is a stock exchange market, and hence cannot sell their shares to general public, but its shares are usually sold to family members, relatives. Advantage of private limited company, written as this like this, private limited in short form. Owners, shareholders have limited liability, which means a person possession will not be liable. Separate legal identity, more capital to be raised. Maximum number of people who can sell their shares are 50. There are less number of chances that a business takeover as the shares are not listed on the open market. Few legal requirements, shares cannot be sold, etc. Read them out. Okay, now public limited company, it is the most important essential one because every feature is now there is no unlimited liability now. Advantage: huge amount of capital can be raised. Okay, now open market, a huge amount of capital can be raised. Financial reports trusted by auditors. Owners have limited liability. Separate legal existence. It can enter and can enter into contracts. This is the legal existence. This is important. Enjoy benefits of economies of scales, and if you are also taking economics, you are pretty much familiar what are internal and external economies of scale. Disadvantage: business formation has too many complications. Requirements: yes, divorce of between management and owners due to frequently changing of owners. Also mention conflict of interest between various stakeholders, so it will really help you out. Account of the company are valued as secret. Takeover, legal documentation. Now this is important. Mention article of association and memorandum of association, right? Memorandum with the external, right? Dealing with the external. And this is dealing with the internal, right? So you should be familiar with how you would be. This is more like of an internal. Please mention this. This will give you an edge. Most of the students don't mention this because they are following the O-level pattern, etc. And this is the final thing. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood this. This is a complete summary, a complete package for you. This is the end of this session.